No, don't point it over there. Point it in the middle. Are you flooding your sandbox? You got the flood. We built 2 dams with a spillway for one, into the second dam. Hey, why don't you stand in the water right here? Stand right there. Yeah. Jump down in there for a second. I want to see how deep it is. Now walk down into the hole. Go into that other hole. Whoa. Right here, it's going to break the dam. Yeah, come over here and get the hose. Come over here and get it. Hey, what's on your face? What's on your face? You got sand and dirt and mud on your face? Huh? Yeah, you do.